Before you can start setting up promotions and supporting sports clubs, you need to add your payment details. Hover over Settings in the navigation toolbar and click on Payment in the drop-down menu. Click Connect with Stripe. Now enter your payment details, including your name and email address, as well as your payment method, which can be a bank account or credit card. This payment method will only be charged when a customer redeems your sponsorship offer. We will typically invoice you once a month. Click Save. Now you can enter your billing address. We will use this address on the invoices that we send to you. Every sponsorship payment generates a PDF document with your invoice with your address on it. Also, provide an email address that we can send the invoice to. All invoices can also be accessed in the payout section of the dashboard. And that's it, your business can now send sponsorship payments to sports clubs.